this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Rainbow Six Siege Mobile. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this game is pretty awesome and it is finally out for everyone to play. And it's actually super easy to download. And it kind of just depends on what platform you're currently playing on. I'm on an Apple platform, but this is going to work the exact same on an Android platform. And all you really need to do is start off on your home screen. And once you're on your home screen, open up your device's app store. So on an iPhone, that's going to be the App Store. On a Google, phone or an Android or Samsung, it's going to be the Google Play Store. Open that up, go to the little search bar down at the very bottom and search for either Rainbow Six Siege or Rainbow Six Mobile. Go ahead and enter that. Ignore the ad up at the very top. And the second option is going to be the one that you're going to want to select. Select that. And as you can see, this is the official app page right here. Where mine currently says open, yours going to have a download or install. Go ahead and select that. Enter in your Face ID, your password, or your Touch ID. And as soon as you go ahead and do that, it'll start downloading for you. And then, of course, it's going to go on your, main page, just like so. Somewhere on this, as you can see, mine's at the very end. I have a ton of apps. I actually need to clean some of these out. But essentially, go ahead and open that up, and you are good to go. You'll have to play a tutorial. And then from here, you can get logged in and start playing Rainbow Six Siege Mobile. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.